Mike, you gotta tell me, dog. Please tell me that you picked up that OnePlus 7 Pro. I need to know. That we out here waiting, dog. Please tell me that you picked it up.
What up, though? Yeah. No, I picked it up. I got it right here. What's good? Yeah, I picked it up. I got it about a week ago. You see the video? It was on the channel. You see the video, big guy?
Bruh. All right. So, what you think? Bruh, you gotta tell me what you think about it. Gotta tell me what you think about it. Cause that thing you got in your hand right there, what you got in your hand right there, that's the future, dog. Don't you know that's the future? I mean, bruh, have you seen the specs on that phone?
Yeah, I've seen the specs. I mean, it's alright. It's not bad. I mean, I guess for what you're getting for the price, it's not that bad. But I mean, me personally, I mean, it's a dope phone, man. Don't get me wrong, it's a dope phone. I'm probably gonna keep it because you know me, I collect phones. You know, I like smartphones. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna trade it in when the 7T come out, though. Just be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's just my thing. I mean, I just don't know if it's something that I could see myself paying for twice. So if the 7T is, you know, no different, then I mean, I don't know, bro. But I mean, personally, it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna keep on saying it's not that bad to me. But you know, everybody got their own opinion, and I respect your opinion. You know, so if you feel like this the future, I'm not mad at you for that, bro. Just understand, for me, this ain't the future, dog. This, you know, I mean, me personally, I'm cool with my G8 too. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like using this one more than I like using the OnePlus. You know, just being real with you.
All right, so you saying you don't think this phone is the future? Am I hearing you right? Like, son, tell me if I'm hearing you right. So you mean to tell me that you don't think that the 90 hertz refresh rate, the all-screen display, the pop-up camera, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, warp charge 30, wide angle camera, my G, you know what I'm saying? You mean to tell me that you don't, UFS 3.0, whatever that means, you mean to tell me that you don't think that's the future, cuz? Like, man, somebody get this, man. He tripping, man. You mean to tell me you don't think that's the future? Come on, dog, man. You playing right now, man. You ain't no tech king, man. You playing, dog. Chill out, bro. Come on, man. Let's talk this through. Now, I'm gonna say it again. That phone is the future. You feel me? That phone is the future. LG, man. What LG doing, man? LG ain't doing nothing.
Bruh, first and foremost, calm down. Like, what you tripping for? What you tripping for? Hey, I don't know if you know this or not, man, but first and foremost, I paid for this phone, so I'm entitled to my opinion of it. And secondly, it's a phone. What you mad about, bro? You some type of OnePlus fanboy or something like that? I mean, it's people out here making videos about the OnePlus saying it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. There's some people out here saying that it's not really for them. You gonna go mess with all them too? Is that how you gonna get down now? That's what we doing? I ain't think you was that kind of person. Just be real with you. I ain't think you was that kind of person.
Get all of them, man. Come on, man. You know what, dog? You right. I'm tripping. You're right. It's your opinion. You know what I'm saying? It's your opinion. You're right. I can't get mad at you for your opinion. But my thing, I'm gonna ask you though, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna go get on everybody else's video because, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's a lot of work, and I got a crew that do that type of stuff. But I ain't no fanboy, but you know what I'm saying? I ride for OnePlus, dog. You know what I'm saying? OnePlus ain't never did me dirty, dog. I ride for OnePlus. You feel me? So I'm looking at what you got in your hand, and I'm just thinking, like, how can you compare that to a G8? I mean, an S10. Is that two phones glued together with a hinge over there? Bro, what is that? Is that the Kyocera Echo you got over there? Man, you can't talk about no phone with that thing on your desk, man. See, man, I thought I knew you, dog. I really thought I knew you, man. Like, see, you really starting to make me mad. All right, like I'm trying to be calm about this, but you really starting to make me mad. Okay, you really starting to make me mad.
All right. First and foremost, why you mad? It's just a phone. I don't understand. Listen, man, I'm gonna tell you why the phone don't really do it for me. Okay, we'll make this real simple. Number one, it ain't got wireless charging. Now, you might not think that's a big deal, but for me it is. I set my phone on my nightstand at night and I wirelessly charge my phone. That's just what I'm used to. My S10 got it. My G8 got it. My iPhone got it. I mean, what's the big deal? It's got wireless charge. Why y'all can't just add the little wireless charge coil on the back? That ain't that hard to do. I mean, you know, I don't really like the way the camera images look. Now the video, bruh, before you get out of control, I'll give you the video is dope. know what I'm saying? The phone shoot real good video, but I just don't really care for the image quality. Now, I heard they got some updates coming out, so I'm gonna see what the updates do. That's why I'm gonna keep the phone, because I gotta see what they're gonna do with it. I can't just write it off the top because the first week ain't been what I expected it to be. But I'm gonna be real with you. This 8 gigs of RAM in this one, I got 10 in this one, big dog. You know what I'm saying? This is the McLaren. I got 10 in this. So, and this is unlocked. Mine is a T-Mobile. But that's what I guess that's what I get, because I couldn't wait. I wanted to go ahead and get the one I wanted to get, and I got the blue joint. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if I show you the color. Maybe if I show you I got the blue one, you'll calm down, you know what I'm saying? You see the blue, you calm down now, ain't no need for all that extra stuff. But, the G8 got stuff that I think is a little bit better. I mean, I got the wireless, I got the always on display, you know what I'm saying? I got the expandable storage, I got the headphone jack with the quad DAC, you know what I'm saying? Even the S10 got a headphone jack. It may not have a quad DAC, but it's got a headphone jack. You know what I'm saying? Like, me personally, I just don't feel like this phone is doing much more than what the 6T is doing, aside from a few very small little details. And, that's just my position on it. That's just my position. Now, it may change in about a month or so, because the truth is, I don't carry this phone, because it's a McLaren edition, limited edition, so I don't carry this phone around. I ain't got no insurance on this thing. This thing stay in the house. That's just what it is. I mean, I used it when I got it, but with this one, I probably won't be using it no more. I just don't think it's that serious, man. Like, what you want me to say? It's the best thing since sliced bread?
That's exactly what I want you to say. It's the best thing since sliced bread. Say it. I don't want to hear nothing else you got to say no more. Either you going to say the phone is the best thing since sliced bread, or we're going to have a problem up in here. All right? Now, we've been cool for a minute. I've been knowing you too long, bruh. Don't turn this into a problem. You know what I'm saying? Don't turn this into a problem, okay? You either gonna say that phone is the best phone of 2019, or we're gonna have a problem. There's no other way to put it. We're gonna have a problem if you don't.
Because I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I guess we're gonna have a problem, because I'm not finna say nothing. I'm not finna say nothing. But wait, hey man, what you doing? Chill out. Hey man, put it down. Put that down. Hey, bruh, put that down. It's not that serious. Alright? It's not that serious. Put that down. Seriously. Bro, hey man, you need to chill out. You need to chill out right now. It's not.
It is, man. It is, because you had one thing to do. You had one assignment, man. All you had to do was say it was the best thing since sliced bread, man. MKBHD said it. You know what I'm saying? And he like Black Jesus the tech. He said it. Why can't you say it? You know what I'm saying? Why you can't just say what everybody else saying, man? Why you got to be different? Why you got to say the phone is aight? Why you can't? And don't tell me to put this down, man. Look, man, I told you we was going to have a problem if you ain't say what I wanted you to say. All right? Now, since you don't want to say what I want you to say, we going to have a problem. So I'm going to give you one more chance to say the right thing. Otherwise, me and my buddy here, otherwise me and my buddy here, we gonna have to handle you, bro. We going to have to handle you, dog. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to do this to you, man. Please don't.
All right, you got it. All right? You got it. Just put it down, man. Put it down. You got it. You got it. It's all you. Look. The OnePlus phone, you got it, man. You got it. It's good. It's a great phone. I can't do it, man. You gonna have to shoot me, dog. I can't do it. It's too many better options out there and cheaper. I can't. I mean, bro, I ain't got the Pixel, but the Pixel 3a XL is even cheaper. I can't. Bro, you gonna have to calm down, man. I'm trying to tell you, man, you gonna have to calm down, bro. I'm sorry. It's just I think that there are better options for the money. You know what I'm saying? That's just my thing, dog. Why I got to come to all this, man? You know what I'm saying? We got to stop this black on black violence, man. It's just, bro, listen. Just accept the fact that the phone is good for you, but not for me. That's all I'm saying. Just accept that it's your flagship, but it's not mine. That's all I'm saying, man. Just accept that, and we ain't got to have all this violence, man. I'm trying to just get up and walk away, dog. I gotta go cook dinner for my wife and everything, man. I can't be in here doing this, man. You know what I'm saying? We got to let this go. It's a great phone. 7.5 out of 10. How about that? 7.5 out of 10. Is that good enough? 7.5. I give you 7.5 easy. You know, that's almost an 8, man. Come on now. It ain't a lot of phones that get an 8 right now, because everybody wanted to be perfect, but it ain't everything gonna be perfect.
5 out of 10, huh? 7.5 out of 10. That's the best you could do. That's the best you could do is 7.5 out of 10. Bruh, like, why you can't just, man, I'm trying to be rational about this, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be rational about this right now, but you're really testing me. Now, you got... Man, you know what, dog? I ain't even gonna bother with you no more because you a lost cause. You know what I'm saying? If you can't see that that's the best phone out in 2019, you a lost cause, man. You a lost cause,
Wait,
dog.
what? The hell did you get a sword? What the hell is going on right now, man? All right, man. Bruh. I'm sticking with 7.5 out of 10. At this point, you gonna have to do what you gonna have to do, man. You got to shoot me if you're gonna do something. 7.5 out of 10. That's it. Maybe the 7T, when it come out in November, will get an 8.5 out of 10. I'll be generous with that one if it's better than this one. But you gonna have to shoot me, man, because I ain't finna fold for you, dog. You know what I'm saying? You got that sword in your hand like you a Samsung Knight or something like that. I ain't finna fold for you.
You sticking with 7.5 out of 10. All right, man. That's what it is. That's what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I just want you to know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I had to come to this, man. But if you're going to stick by your guns and that's what you're going to do, I got to stick by mine there, man. Forgive me for what I'm about to do. Wait, when the hell did you get 2 guns? Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on. Chill out, man. Chill out. I'm just here so I don't get fired.